Hey guys, I'm Justin Speer, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of my new Chic Sparrow Traveler's Notebook. I got the Scout style in golden brown color, and it's also a Cascade style. So let's get to it. So I love the packaging from Chic Sparrow. They do a really nice job. Really like these bags that they put the traveler's notebooks in. Wow, this is gorgeous. So this is the Scout, and this is made from water buffalo hide, which I thought was really cool. It's really known for its durability, and of course has a whole bunch of lightning strikes and different marks on it. Wow, this is gorgeous. And this is in the A5 size. And it's the Cascade style, so it's got these vertical pockets here on the left. And with the Scout, it has the Maverick leather on the outside and the creme leather on the inside, which is a lot softer. There's a pocket here. And I like the pen loop. Wow, this is great. I have a couple other traveler's notebooks, and this one definitely feels the most durable out of all of them that I've had. But it's nice and supple on the inside. So my plan for this Scout traveler's notebook is to use the Hobonichi Techo notebook that I got here. Let me open that. So this should fit perfectly here with the A5 size. Yeah, that's gonna work great. So I've never used one of these notebooks before, but I've heard a lot of good things about these. I love the paper from the Hobonichis. But this Scout is just gorgeous. I love it. Yeah, I love the character of these lightning strikes and all the markings on it. This is going to be great. And so when I ordered this Scout, I also threw in a Nano sized in the Pemberley leather. So that's what this guy is. Wow. I knew it was going to be small, but had no idea it was going to be this small. Now, this one's pretty cute. I like that. That's so tiny. Could fit into any pocket. That's great. And I like this leather too. I like the white stitching contrast against the leather. That's really fun. So I'm really happy with these two purchases here, especially the Scout. I've always wanted the Maverick leather because of all the character with the cracked design. And this did not disappoint. This is great. I love it. That's going to be perfect to have a Hobonichi notebook inside. Might add a few other things too if there's room. And I'm really happy with this Nano size. This is the first time I've bought a Nano size. That's really cute. So I just wanted to compare this Scout / Maverick leather to previous Chic Sparrow notebook, I purchased the Mr. Darcy. This is in the B6 size, whereas the new Scout is in the A5. But there's definitely so much more texture on the Scout leather, and it's considerably thicker too. So that's great. And then I also purchased previously a chai tea house from Chic Sparrow, and this is also an A5, so there's a comparison there. Yeah, but I don't think anything will come close to the durability of this one, the Scout. It just feels really hardy. I like it a lot. And then for the nano size in the Pemberley, I got a couple of inserts with that. I bought the inserts from Chic Sparrow because I don't think I could find them anywhere else. But please let me know in the comment section below if there's another place to order inserts in the nano size. But these are really cute. So I got two of the, just the plain, well, the grid paper. And then I also got just one of these little dashboard inserts, put a little picture in. So that's cool. This one's just really cute. All right, thank you for watching.